I did not even use my hot comb. I did not use Balayage. I did not use hair straightener. Nothing. So beautiful. You can see that. Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. If it's your first time here, my name is Chelsea. Gorgeous, you're welcome. So today we are in for wig review, and the hair I'll be revealing today is from QT. This is it. It came in this box here. Guys, this wig, just hold on. In case if you like it, don't just waste time. Head to the description box. All information about this wig will be on the description box. If there will be any discount code, it will be on the description box. Whatever you need to know about this wig, all details will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check it out. We are about to slay, gorgeous. We are about to slay. So I'm going to unbox this wig right away with you guys, that you guys are seeing here. Like I said, it came in this box and it is 100% human hair. Inside the box there are some goodies that came with it, and you guys know I love my goodies. If I get any wig, there is no goodies on it, I'm always not happy. And if you add goodies, you want my heart. Yes, so these are the goodies that came with it. There's a wig cap. There are two pairs inside. There is a comb and a brush. Yes. Okay, there's edge brush, comb, and a wig brush. Okay, inside. Those are the goodies that came with it. Not about the wig. The wig is glueless and it is 8x5. 8x5. You guys can see it here. It is 8x5, 22 inches, and it is glueless. The density is 200 density. We're on the high side, gorgeous. 200 density. You can't beat that. So like I said, all information will be on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. Wow, this is it. Just look at the hair, look at the color. Oh, which color is this? I'm coming. Let me try to see it for you guys. Okay, this is Ombre brand Balayage highlight silky straight 8x5 pre-cut lace with glueless human hair, and you can see this. So in their website, they have up to 32 inches. So if you want 32 inches, you will have it. You will get it there. And also they have 180 density. They have 150 density. It all depends on the density you want. This one I want to install right now, I'm revealing with you guys, is 200 density. And they have 10 inches, 12 inches, 14 inches, up to 32 inches. So it all depends on what you want and it is affordable. Okay, and when you get to their website, you're going to see so many discounts in there. Okay, just grab it. The hair is so soft. Let me just show you guys. Let me stop talking and show you guys the texture of the hair. Wow, you see that? Shine. This is so beautiful. You can see that. You see the hairline. It is pre-dyed, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-everything that you need to know. It is pre for you. So this is it on my hand. You can see it. Okay, we're just going to wear this to see. Okay. Wow. No shedding. No shedding. And it is wear and go. That is what we want. That is what we want. Just look at the inside. Look at this. Okay, look at the lace. So the lace is 8x5. You can see it came with comb. The wig quality is 14A, friendly to small head, and adjustable hook at the back. Fit 20 to 23 inches. Guys, there's something I want to show you guys that is so cool with this wig. In short, you guys can see the comb. Okay, you can remove it if you want. How cute is that? They did not sew it inside. This is because you guys know this comb, it's not all the time we want it because of discomfort. Sometimes this can be so disturbing. At the back it will be itchy you, disturbing you. So I like the fact that you can remove this. I really love that. See, you just remove it. If you want to put it, you put it back. Okay, so let's see if we're going to leave it or we're going to remove it from it. But I prefer removing it. Okay, but if you want to really secure your hair, you need this. But sometimes if you want to glue the hair down, you don't need the comb. But if you're not gluing it down, you need this comb. All is like that. They did, you see, they did everything like that. All the combs here, they did it the same way. All right guys, let's pop this on. Okay, like this wouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to install this. I will see if there's a need for me to add foundation on this or not. So let me just wear it first because my cap wig is brown. Sometimes I don't add because of the cap wig that I wear, but let's see if I'm going to add to it. I made it so tight. Oh, wow. Woo. Wow, guys, here's my mirror. Okay guys, my mirror, I'm going to place my mirror by the side. Did you guys see that? Did you see how this lap? Yeah. Wow. See? And the hair is so silky. So silky. This hair is so silky. Oh, let me shift back a little. Okay, it's better like this. This hair is so silky. Oh, my earring. The texture is so cool, so soft in your hand, so silky. There's something in my mouth. So silky. Look at it. I don't even need to straighten this. No, I don't need to straighten this. I don't even need to pass hot comb. Nothing. This is what we call glueless. Everything is done for you. When they say the hair is ready, this is the kind of wig I want. Hey, if you are lazy, grab this. If you're lazy like me, that you cannot stretch hair, you find it difficult to stretch your hair, you find it difficult to glue your hair down, you find it difficult to customize your hair, this is what you need. But you can still work on this hair. If you want to bleach it, you can bleach it. And if you want to like bring out baby hair, you can do that. But guys, I'm going to leave this like this. I'm not doing anything to it. I'm not doing anything to this wig. Believe, why is my earring? This one always falling. So guys, you can see it. Wow, this is gorgeous. So gorgeous. So because you can see here is a little bit whiter than my skin tone, I'm just going to add little foundation to it. Very little foundation. Just add on the middle part. Okay, just add that. Let's add little foundation and that is it. That is all we need to do. I'm just going to add it here. This is the hair I want. Okay guys, that is it. All details will be on the description box, so if you like, check it out. Don't miss out on this one. If you've been missing out this very one, don't miss out. Okay, see, glueless. It is glueless. So gorgeous, that is it for this hair from QTHAIR. Like I said, all information will be on the description box. Don't hesitate to check it out. And if there's any discount code, I'm going to leave it also on the description box. The hair is bomb. The hair is bomb. The color, to the texture, to the wig, to the lace, to everything about this wig, believe me, is bomb. They really think of every step, everything concerning this wig before producing this wig. I'm not lying to you. And one thing I like, it is 100% human hair. The hair is silky. You can see it. See, I did not even use my hot comb. I did not use Balayage. I did not use hair straightener. Nothing. But if you want to coil this hair, you can coil it. Okay, you can coil it if you want to coil it, but I like my hair straight. If you've been watching me, you know I love my hair straight. I like it straight. I don't like disturbing it. Okay, so that is it, gorgeous. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't hesitate, dash to the description box. The direct link will be there, and the link to their website will be there. If it's not this very wig you want, if it's another wig you want, just head to their website. You will see as much as you can. They have so many wigs on their website. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.